folder called React, REACT. And in React folder, open the CMD. React folder, open the CMD. Folder called React. In the React, open the CMD. And in that CMD, you have to run this command. Open the CMD and CMD run this command. npx npm install -g create react app. Run this command in CMD. npm install -g create react app. Hello. Yes, hello. Okay. From which company you are? Okay. So you are looking for which profile? No, we offer only IT people. Yeah. So run this command. npm install -g create react app. Internet should be there. Run this command. Create react app. npm install space -g create react app. The first command may happen very quick. Second command will take some time. Second. See, login late is not helpful for you. Clear? Login late is not helpful for you. Keep in mind. Now we did something. How I'll repeat from beginning. Okay. If you log in late, it's not helpful for you. Keep in mind. You cannot log in anytime. Certain time you have 10 minutes late is okay. You are coming 1 hour late. Huh? You have written wrong. What you wrote? npm install install -g create react react -app. What is it? Oh, it's done no, already. Someone log in by the name called Rafiq. You are you are attending this class from beginning or today is the first class?
From beginning itself.
I don't have any name called Rafiq in this batch 9 o'clock. Which name you have registered in Info Campus? Nisa. Well, login you should enter that name only, no? You came from some other batch or since beginning you are in the same batch? Because in the full name is something else. What's the full name? Naj Monisa. Try coming on time from tomorrow, okay? 9:30 class, 9:45 is okay. You are coming 10 minutes late again. We have to repeat everything from beginning. Create folder called React and in React folder open the CMD. Create a folder called React and in React folder open the CMD. Resma login late as well as you also login late. Create a folder called React and in the React folder open the CMD. And in that CMD, you need to run this command, first command. That is to set up the environment for React. Second command we need to run npx create React app project 1. First command is completed, then run the second command. Second command is to set up the new project. First command is to install the environment. Second command is to set up the new project. Second command is to install the create new project. npx create React app. Enter. It may take few minute time based on internet speed and it will create a project. Project name will be project 1. It will create a folder. In that it will set up all project related stuff and the folder name will be project 1. Hope second command is going on or completed? Going on. In the last, it will say happy hacking. If second command completed successfully, it will give the message called happy hacking. You can reply in the chat once if you get the message happy hacking at last. Okay, so hope we have done. Next, after that, go to the CMD again. Completed. Okay. In CMD, you can write CD space project 1. CD space project 1, you will come under the project 1 folder. CD space project 1, you will come under the project 1 folder. CD space project 1, you will come under the project 1 folder. Next, after that, the project we have set up, how we can see the output of that. How we can see the output of that code. So we have to write command CD. I have written there. No? CD space project 1 folder name. Project 1 CD space project 1 folder name. Right. Next, after that, we have to start the React development server using npm start. Using npm start. npm start. npm space start. npm space start. npm space start. Write this command npm space start. The internet is slow. Okay, so npm start once you do, automatically it will open in browser. Once it will say compile successfully. After compile successfully, it will open the browser directly. Compile successfully message will come, and after that, automatically your browser will get open, default browser. npm start, and after that, default browser will get open. Default browser get open. Something like this. Okay, so something like this. Next, after this, this CMD you should not close. Whenever you want to run the project, you need to open the CMD in project folder, and after that you have to write call npm start. npm start. Once you write npm start, your project will get compiled, and after that compilation, any browser will open by default, and there it will display as the output of your pages whichever we have written. So this is the default page. This is the default page. Okay. We will go inside the page code level and we'll understand what is that, how it is written. If you want to create our own, how to create, where to create, how to run. So open one more CMD in project one folder. One CMD is running, don't touch that. Okay, minimize that and open one more CMD. Open one more CMD. Okay, so ready? Write inside code space dot, enter. Code space dot, enter. VS Code will also get open. Code space enter. VS Code will also get open. Okay. So VS Code is open. VS Code is open as well as your page is compiled also. VS Code is open. So this is the source code here. You can see from the VS Code, this is the source code part and this is the output. Now we need to find out this URL, where this content is coming from. Okay. So come to your page, come to your VS Code and go to the SRC. Where you both are busy, not working? Working or not working? Any problem? Then look at here. No? Go to SRC folder. In SRC folder, you have a file called app.js. Click on that. SRC folder, you have a file called app.js. Click on that app.js file. Click on that. App.js file. Now in this app.js file, so many things are written. They will try to delete some section and we'll see this is the file or something else. The project Monday. We can. Will come 10 o'clock nearly. 10 p.m. 10 a.m. Okay. Next, come inside. And this is a function. Inside the function, some codes are written. Let's try editing this code. Okay, make simple function. What we used to write. Delete everything first from the function. Delete first everything from the function. Next, after that, come inside this function. Write h1. Welcome React. Welcome React. Welcome React. Save the file. Look into the browser. Coming. Welcome React. sequence. After saving, if you go to your browser, it should say welcome React. Welcome React. In browser, it's got changed, welcome React. That represent, yes, app.js is the file where the content is coming from. Okay. How it is coming, where and where it's going, that is the next matter to discuss. Now come to this file, app.js file, and h1 you have written. Write one p tag also and see how it's throwing the error. Write anything and see it's become a error. When h1 was there, no problem. When we added the p tag, error happened. Error. See here, error appear because it is not following the rule regulation of React. When you write one tag, it was working, but when you wrote multiple tag, it is breaking the rule of JSX, JavaScript and XML. Because of that, error came. Now, what to do for that? In React, whenever we are going to write something in any pages, okay? If you have only one line, no problem, you can write one single tag is okay. But if you have more than one tag, you cannot print directly all the tag individual. The tag must be inside a parent tag. So it says like, if in one page you have only one tag, then you can print. But if you have more than one tag, you cannot print all the tag individual. What we have to do? We need to keep inside the parent tag. It's a rule regulation. We are going to make a note of that. Now come and put inside the division. H1 and paragraph keep inside the division. H1 and paragraph keep inside the division. H1 and paragraph keep inside the division. Okay, hope done. Save it. Look into the browser. Error is gone. Right? So what is that? It is called as a JSX rule. Right? Now come inside. So working for all. Right? Working, let me know also. You modified the app.js file. Okay, let's go ahead now. The division you have written, so it is not necessary that it will be only division as a parent tag. Now h1 and p tag become as a child tag and division become as a parent tag. So parent tag, it's your freedom now. You can write your own tag also. Like suppose you create your own name. I'll write my own name. So particular tag open and particular tag is closed. ABC tag open, ABC tag is closed. Now also it will work. So this becomes a which one? User defined tag. ABC becomes a user defined tag. Check, try. Add it and look into your browser. See it's happening or not. Okay. Now let us see. So it's printed here. It's a printed here, right? Again we'll go and ABC have written. It's not necessary that should be any tag name. It can be empty tag also. Right like this. And then see. This will also work. Okay. Now let us go next. See here. No error. Right? Working? Come next. One more option we have. Open the square bracket and close the square bracket. And after every comma, after every tag, give a comma. After first tag, give the comma. After second tag, also give the comma. Write the third paragraph, fourth paragraph. Like is it JavaScript array? Remember JavaScript array? Square bracket open close and one element, comma, second element, comma, third element, comma is optional. Right? So this work like is array also. It will work. You can see once. So hope it is working. It will not give comma, it will throw the error. So right. So how many points we wrote? First we have written one tag, it was working. Then you have written multiple tag, one paragraph, one div, it has started throwing the error. Right? Then after that what we did? We added a parent tag. Parent tag we made as a division, predefined tag, it started working. Then instead of predefined tag, we given the user defined tag ABC, still it was working. Then instead of ABC, we given as a empty tag, still it was working. Last you given call square bracket is array, still it is working, right? So in React under the JSX, more than one tag whenever you want to print, you have to put inside the parent tag. Then question is what will be the parent tag? It can be any HTML tag, it can be any user defined tag, it can be empty tag, or it can be a square bracket, okay, as an array. Okay, so 4 rules we have. We will make a note and then we'll use. Now before making the rule and all, let's come to next point. Okay. Two CMD is open for you or only one CMD? Two CMD? One CMD where we have written code space dot and one CMD where NPM is running, right? NPM is running. So hopefully everyone will have total 2 CMD, correct? Let's write one more line in the second CMD where code space dot you are written. In case if you close open again, okay? Write there npm install I hope everyone have idea on Bootstrap. You both have idea? Bootstrap. Huh?
I have it.
No, those three, no. Idea you have Bootstrap?
Yes.
Okay, fine then. That right? npm install Bootstrap. Few things will use time to time, not everything. If you have no idea, by then you can study from internet. npm install Bootstrap. Write npm install Bootstrap. npm install Bootstrap. This command npm install Bootstrap. npm install Bootstrap. BOOTSTRAP. Installation is done. npm install Bootstrap. Okay, done. Now let's come. How to integrate that? So you will come to the index.js file. You have a file called index.js. We will understand the structure of this file, how it works. But this is the main file that is getting called first time. Okay, come to the index.js file. And in index.js file, write a line here called import. We don't know import still. We'll discuss on that. Import space Bootstrap. Space import Bootstrap / dist / CSS / bootstrap.css. Bootstrap dist CSS bootstrap.css. Open installation is done. Import also you did. Now we need to see whether Bootstrap is getting applied or not. You will come to the app.js file. A square bracket we can remove. We can keep division only. Div. Commas are there in between. You can remove those comma. Okay. Next for H1 tag, write a property called class name. In React.js, we don't have property called class. We have a property called class name. Class name equal to text hyphen danger. Class name equal to text hyphen danger. Class name equal to text hyphen danger. Save the file and again look into the browser. Coming in red color. If it is coming in the red color, then everything is okay. Bootstrap is linking. Bootstrap file is calling. So hope read happen for everyone. Okay, done. Now let's come to the next point. All the feature of Bootstrap we can access easily inside the React. Where you call the Bootstrap? Under the index.js file. So how to integrate the React with the Bootstrap? We have to go to the project folder and we have to write npm install package name called Bootstrap. Bootstrap will get downloaded under the node modules. After downloading, this is the node modules. This is a complete list of the packages it will hold. All the libraries are here. Now, once the folder is downloaded under the node modules, inside your index.js file, you have to write import bootstrap from bootstrap dist css and all, right? So we have written here import bootstrap dist css bootstrap.css. So by default,
Class name is not working.
class name is not working. Don't say bootstrap is not working because you have not linked properly. You show me your system. Show me the system quickly. Come, no, I'll guide you. Where you install it? Now look at here first. Boot bootstrap dist css bootstrap.css. Okay. Go to the tab.js file. CLLSSNAME. Now come to browser. Refresh the page. Your server is stopped. Then go here. CMD. Another one. You have stopped both the server. Y, press Y. Enter. Okay, let us start. Coming, no? No, coming. You can close one tab. Okay, getting something? Now, what we did, we gone to which file? Under the index.js file, we imported the bootstrap, right? Next, after this, bootstrap installation is done. Project setup is also done, correct? Next, from one side, we have to start learning, okay? So see, I'll tell you the fact. React is not difficult. It is easy, okay? The problem is, people will not attend the regular classes. JavaScript, if you leave 3-4 example, 5th example you will understand. But in this one example, if you forget next, if you one example you are not there, next 3-4 days you will be surprised only. You will feel like what is happening. Clear? Okay. So JavaScript, what we have learned, that is a sufficient. Okay, that is more than enough. You will feel like React is 50% easier than JavaScript. Okay, 50% easier. And we will be going in the very simple step. Each and every line in this file, we have written something is written. I'll explain you each and every line. Return meaning is what, why you wrote the division, what is the meaning of export default type and all. When you look at the index file, each and every line I'll explain you what is that all. Okay. But if you are coming half an hour late, one day you are not joining, you will wait for the WhatsApp message, sir will message, then I'll join. Okay, someday even I will also forget to message you. Okay, so what will happen in that case? Difficult. Reason is, suppose we did a set up something. Usually when we start the class, in the beginning you have to install something, you have to set up something, then you have to connect something, then you will create a file, then you will implement it. Okay, or maybe you will discuss before that what you are going to use, where and all you are connecting. A person log in after half an hour, what will happen for him? Either we need to skip him, or we need to ask everyone to wait for half an hour. Correct? That will become difficult to manage for both the parties. Okay. So suggestion will be, if you have any other work, see, I don't start, it's get 9:30, 10 minutes late happen daily. Right? So 10 minutes late happen and you come after 15 minutes. It's become total how much? Half an hour late. Right? So at least by 10, not 30, by 10:40 also you can join, is okay. But if you are coming after somewhere, if you are coming somewhere 10 o'clock, 10:15, then no meaning at all. Just simply you will watch what people are writing and you will log out from there. Okay. So this listen properly. Okay. Complexity is not there. It is a small syllabus only, very clean and clear syllabus. There, step by step, if you are attending regular classes, 100% sure you will understand each and every point. But your irregularity, you're not coming on time, log out in between, internet disconnected, I was not here today. Those kind of people do, then again you have to attend the future class. Okay, you will not understand. Regularity is the big matter. So make sure you do that. Okay. So what we did till now, we set up the project, correct? Project is set up. How we set up the project? Using this command. How we install the bootstrap? npm install bootstrap. Okay, RAP under this project, under the project folder. Here we did cd and then project one, cd and then project one. After that we did npm install bootstrap and then we write npm start. Correct? So this one line is to set up the environment. Second line is to set up the new project. Third line is to change the directory. And fourth line is to install the bootstrap. And fifth line is to start the server. Right? So whoever have not done, they should do it today. And if you have any other commitment, finish that work today. And then from tomorrow, be on time. Okay. Even I have one other 10-minute work today. So I will not continue till 11 o'clock. But from tomorrow, sharp till 11 o'clock, at least 11 o'clock will continue. So in that, try coming on time and attend 4 or 5 days class. 100% sure you will feel very much interesting. Okay, you will feel very, very interesting, right? But if you are not coming regular, I don't know whether I can convince you or not. Okay, that is also matter. Okay, so regularity is big matter. Coming on time is a big matter. Okay. Last 3-4 days, some people was not able to listen. I keep messaging in the group, log in, log in, log in. JavaScript main part you didn't attend, right? Some people, right? Okay. So you are doing such a big mistake. Okay. You are playing with your future. You don't do that mistake. Please attend it regular. It's helpful for you. Okay. Fine then. See you tomorrow. Come on time and we'll help you out. Okay, the React people can log out. I have one another class. I'll continue that. And then for you will be from 9 to 11 from tomorrow as usual.
For every project we need. For every project we need.
For every project we need setup. Not first command, second command. The first command you have written npm install create React app. That is only one time. One time in each system. Okay. Second command is required every time. Whenever you create a new project, second command npx create React app project one, that is required every time. Yes. Okay. Yeah, Bootstrap also, because it is a separate website, no? One project is nothing but a separate website. Yes. It has to be separate. It should not be mixed together. And it will not happen from one website. No, npm start. No, this all are to set up a new project. npm start करेंगे तो चालू होगा. No, 15th. 15th. Not 15th is Sunday, I guess. 16th. 1/6. 16th Monday. Okay, so next name is called Chandni, Rizan, Sneha, as well as Suranjana. Right? Hope people can hear me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I wanted to understand, like, you people are working somewhere, you have any experience or fresher? So one by one. First, Chandni will tell me your education and your experience.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, sir. So, my name is Chandni Kumari, and I am from Bhagatpur, Bihar, and I've recently completed my BTech from MCKB Institute of Engineering with an aggregate of 8.5 CGPA. And recently, I have completed. I have done internship in React.js for 3.5 months, and after that, I've joined here as a web developer. And
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, fine then. Rizan, your details? Rizan.
Yes, so
I'm actually as like a technical support associate. I did my BTech in computer science, and actually I passed out at 2019. So I was just like looking to like learn something on React development. So that's why the reason I'm here.
Okay, fine then. So you are already working in some, okay, already you have worked some on same profile or different profile?
Actually, it's a different profile, not the React. Yeah, I wanted to learn React. That's the reason. And
Okay, fine then. Sneha, your details?
Yes, sir, I'm Sneha MS. I completed MCA. I worked as a front-end developer. I have 10 months of experience in front-end developer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. One more name is called Suranjana.
Yes, sir. Hi, sir. My name is Suranjana Ghosh, and I have completed my BSc graduation in 2020. And then I started learning full stack development and applied for a web developer job. And so I am here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine now. So I'll just explain you quickly the subject wise. Okay, in that you people will let me know like who have the skill till where and how much you have idea. Accordingly, we'll plan further. Okay. So okay, so when we come to the subject wise, the technology, what and all we cover and see in the syllabus. For in front end side, like for the front end and back end, both you have combination. So in front end, like we will be learning this section: HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and some homework will be there. This all like I will be guiding you from the very basic to till advanced level, where you can manage the project after getting those all knowledge. Okay, so I hope you all 3-4 have this idea, HTML, CSS related knowledge.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, after this, next point is coming to the JavaScript. So in JavaScript, how it is like in this, you can basic JavaScript might you are already aware of since you have some knowledge and you have worked some time. Next, from here onwards, API part that you can say ECMAScript related, Ajax related, object-oriented programming JavaScript, data binding related. In this, what is the level of understanding?
Sir, I know the basic part of API and AJAX and also the object-oriented programming, but I have no deep knowledge about it.
Okay. Okay. Fine then okay. Then in React side, like no knowledge, or we have some idea in React side.
Yes, I have some knowledge like the hooks, use effect, use
Yes, sir. I
and use
also know
state
that.
setup.
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
as I've also worked in React,
Please.
so I do have some knowledge in React.
Okay, so some idea we have from this side also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Next, coming to the in the backend part. As I discussed yesterday, then he said like in the backend. So what is the company suggesting you to learn in the backend? Node.js side or Java side or which technology in the backend? Any specific need or how it is?
No, there is no specific need in our company.
Okay. Because it should be well structured. So again, I will be communicating with them And then why reason to ask login all for, he said 6 people nearly. So reason to ask to login to understand like where you are and how much you have understanding, so that we can plan, okay, we can start from here. Okay. So I have suggested him yesterday the front end React plus JavaScript and UI part, and in the backend Node.js, MongoDB, Express.js will have good combination. Using that, you can create any kind of application that will be helpful. Plus market, it will be competitive application. Okay, so that was the discussion yesterday. Okay. Okay, so backend part again, mostly Mon stack will be the choice. That what I come to know yesterday. Okay, so come to the again the front end part. So definitely in the React, I'll start you from beginning only. And next in JavaScript, where you people want to learn from? Like, shall we teach you from the API part, from ECMAScript side, from API part, how to handle the API? Because in JavaScript, API is the main part. API and then ECMAScript 5.6 related concept is the main point. Object-oriented programming is the main point. That is going to help you in the React side. Data binding, I guess you have sufficient knowledge. You are able to combine your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript all together, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so those part you have idea well. Okay. Okay, so what I will do is again I'll discuss with your company today. Okay, the person who called me yesterday, I will discuss with him and I'll give the input what I received from you people, like till when, since again there is no kind of a sense where we should waste the time simply. Like if you have already a skill, then why to again spend the time on that? What a skill you don't have, we should spend the time on that, so it will be helpful for you as well as for your company also. Okay, so right, I will discuss with him again today, and then might be we can spend some time on JavaScript, and then after JavaScript we can enter into the React, and after React we can go for the backend part. Okay, that will be maybe the good decision and good plan to go ahead. But again, I need to discuss with your company once, and then we can plan further. Right?
Okay, sir.
And the time related mostly will be after not before 9 o'clock, within the working hour only. They have suggested to have a session within the working hour only. So I'll see how we can manage the time, and then I will discuss with him, and then timing related confirmation and all he will be communicating with you all, and then we'll see from tomorrow. Okay. Let me discuss with him, and then after that session is starting where it will be, then we'll see it from tomorrow onwards.
Okay.
Fine.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
So
I will,
in case we are missing the like online class, it will be getting recorded, right? So that we can...
daily class get recorded.
Okay.
Daily class get recorded evening time. 8:30, 9 o'clock nearly, I upload in server. From there, you will have one link. That link only will be accessible all the videos. In the same link, all video will come one after other. In case due to meeting or something else, if you miss any classes, no problem. Evening time, you can have a look. And evening time, we'll have a group of the WhatsApp. In that, you can ping me. I'll send you the example. Which example we create for the day, that example I'll send you, and you will have a video. You can play the video and have a look into the example.
Awesome.
Okay, that will be like, that is the only way to understand if you are missing something, or if you are attending regular, then there is no matter. You can have a look into the video for the backup purpose if any point is confusion, and if you are missing the classes, then no problem. Example will be ready, I'll send you. You can have a look, as well as video will be there. Play the video and look into the example. Okay, video will be lifetime access. It will be available in the server always. You can have a look.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Okay, fine then. I'll talk to him today. Okay, and then we'll have a discussion again further. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Then log out, and then let's. He will be updating you for tomorrow upcoming session.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.